What is going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. I have a lot of explaining to do. I apologize, it's really dark. I know I've been gone for a while. I was actually gonna head to the bank. Excuse me, I was gonna head to the bank right now. It's like, what, 10:40, so the car is not cold. I did get the car back, yes, finally. I got it back earlier this week.
3:28 a.m.
Alrighty guys, yes, I apologize, I've been gone for a while. The car has been down and gone out of my possession for about a month and a half. Finally got her back running good and healthy again. The main issue that we had with the car, and like I said, I apologize that y'all could not see me. Hopefully, let me see if I come right here, and it's really cold outside. We're gonna do a little night cruise because I need to go run by the bank, and I thought, why not just make a quick little video? So, and before we get started, if you enjoy this video, now that I'm back, go ahead and hit the bell notification, hit the like button, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for future videos, because in about a week or so, I still want to give the car a little bit. I'm going to tune the car and put her on E85, which I am super excited and pumped for. So stay tuned for that video because I am being tuned by Lund Racing. So the main issue with the car that we were having, one of the VVT solenoids in the engine within the camshaft, it exploded. Not sure how it exploded. I know whenever I got the car rebuilt, I did have to replace one of the camshafts for, I believe it was bank 2. For some reason, the solenoid and the camshaft, something, I guess, I don't know if it wasn't getting enough lubrication or oil, but it ended up rubbing, causing friction. So I replaced that. Everything was squared away. I kept still, however, getting a random misfire and all these check engine lights, and the car was basically just going into limp mode every single day, and it was just super irritating and frustrating. I'm gonna put my hoodie on here because it's pretty cold. So come to find out, whenever I took it to my friend's shop, they broke the engine apart. Apparently what happened, like I said, is the VVT solenoid, that's a tongue twister, it exploded inside the engine bay, sending all pieces of metal throughout the engine, causing the oil pump to not put out enough PSI. I believe it was putting out about between like 8 to 10 PSI when the pump should be putting out between 80 to like 100, depending on how you were driving the car, if you're on throttle or not. So that was off. I had to replace that. They changed the oil about 4 times because there was so much metal just inside the engine. It was getting clogged up. It's like we also had to change the oil, like oil pump or some type of, I don't know what the heck it's called. There's so much stuff that was in regards to the oil that had to be replaced. They had to drop the oil pan a few times. We changed out the oil about 4 times. They want me to drive the car for another 1,000 miles, and then we're gonna change the oil again. We actually bought something here. I'm gonna actually go ahead and show you. I believe it's called Mag Field or something like that. Let me open the card here. Filter Mag is what it's called. So if you guys can see this, it's called Filter Mag. So basically, essentially what it does is it's 2 strong magnets that sit on the outside of your oil filter at the bottom of your car, and it's a big magnet, so it collects all the little metal that is left inside the car, because the only metal that is left is so micro, it's so micro sized and small. This car is so, these lights are so bright. However, so it's so small that it's getting past like a little shield guard that's inside like the camshaft position sensor or whatever. So there's still little small pieces of metal kind of still in the engine cycling through the oil and everything. So that filter is going to help grab all those little tiny pieces of metal, and then after it'll collect it on the filter wall, and then I can basically clean it out. And the goal is to get rid of all the metal inside of the engine. So majority of it is gone. All the big chunks and pieces are gone. So the car is not throwing any codes. The only codes I'm getting right now are for the cats. I'm not sure as to why, because I have some sensors that, since I am running long tube headers on the car, I'm running some sensors since I don't have the cats that bypass, that trick the computer, blah, blah, blah. So not sure. they did tell me, he was like, if you do get a check engine light, it's probably because of this. When I checked my scanner, that's exactly what he said it was. So I just clear the code, car's perfectly fine, doesn't go into limp mode, don't lose any power, anything of that nature. So like I said, moving forward, I'm gonna take you guys on a little night drive so you guys can kind of hear and hear what the car sounds like while I go through. Just to, I mean, the bank is maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes or so from my house. So we're gonna do a little POV drive. So I just washed the car maybe 2 days ago, I wanna say. So sorry about this, neighbors. The car is not super cold because I just got home and showered. I was supposed to go out tonight. My friends wanted me to go dancing, but guys, I'm getting old. I don't like to go out. Not during the weekdays, that is. Weekends, that's different. Weekdays, I don't really go out that much. Plus, there's a new episode of Low Key tonight. Let's go and start her up. Tell you a little secret. Seat warmers have the heat blasting, windows down. We got to do it for the shot. A little downshift here. Kind of send it underneath this underpass here a little bit. I don't know what this guy's doing. Looking pretty sketch. Low first gear. I told y'all she's loud. Well, there's the check engine like I was telling you. Little random misfire. I could feel it too. And now it's gone. So like I said, the reason for that is because there's still there's like small pieces of metal inside of the car, but they put like 2,000 miles on my car. So he said it should be good and broken in. I just can't step on it all the damn time, you know. I can have my fun here and there, but not to just like thrash on it the entire time. We are done with the bank. loving this cold weather. Somebody's jamming out next to me in a Prius. For a second. Oh, damn. I think that was a twin. That was either S197 GT or GT500 twin turbo. I did that just for y'all. It's going to get some downshifts here. Let me see from. This is with the windows up. Sounds better with the windows down, am I right? I think so. Like, I don't think y'all understand. Camera does not do this car any justice as to how loud it is in person. Windows, roll those windows back up. This is 5th gear right now. 6th gear right now. You can hear it a little bit. Still getting used to like the clutch. When I got the car back from the body shop, if y'all remember all that fiasco, I had the car maybe close to a month, I want to say. This probably might have been maybe like 4 weeks until it was like back at my mechanics, because I was having an issue here and there, and this car has just been, it's had its ups and its downs, but now I think she's finally right. All we have to do right now is just get rid of the little last tidbits of metal that are inside the engine, and this car will be healthy as a horse. So that's honestly the reason why I'm not tuning her just quite yet. I still want to give it some time and wait. Maybe in the next 2 weeks or so, one time for sure that we do another oil change, I will probably go ahead and tune the car, because it is winter out. It's winter season, it's boost season, and I need to know what it feels like to be on E85. That's 3rd gear. That is going to be the end of this video. Like I said, it's a short, sweet, simple video. I will be getting back into the grind on making YouTube videos. I'll have to see how consistent I can be. I know the next thing that I want to do for this car is a full suspension makeover, and I need to get this exhaust welded on. I'm gonna turn my flashlight on here so y'all can see exactly, but the exhaust does not sit properly, and that bugs the hell out of me, as I'm sure some of y'all are probably gonna eat away at the comments, but yes, it bugs the hell out of me, as I'm sure it does for y'all. So that's gonna be next on my list, is to get that welded so that it can sit properly. and flush inside of there. But aside from that, guys, I want to thank y'all. If you guys like this video, like I said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the next one. And remember to always keep shifting forward.
Yeah, feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.